Steve Blight, J.Racenstein, and here I have BioSolv. BioSolv is a solvent replacement, sometimes called an acetone replacement. Solvents are things that break down those materials on the surface, often oils, but also adhesive layers. I use it to clean up after a two-part epoxy to clean up the surface when it gets a little bit out. It's nice thing about it is that it has a low flash point, so it doesn't evaporate as quickly as many of the other solvents. So when you put it on a rag, the rag's going to last a while. So if you're going around and you're trying to touch up where there's been particles on the glass or on the mullions or whatever, and you need to get it off where it's sticky or adhesive from the tape or the residue, stickers on the glass, anything with that gummy residue, I really like BioSolv for that task. We have some people that have changed all of their solvents to BioSolv to reduce the exposure to the flash point and the smell in the air of the acetones. This has a nice eco-friendly smell. So give it a shot. It does come in a smaller bottle if you want to try it. It does some amazing things.